Hi, I'm Raymond Nevin, Sales Manager at Piling Equipment Limited. Welcome to a tour of our workshop and a behind-the-scenes view of our build process and range of equipment that we offer. Piling Equipment Limited is the UK's largest builder of mini piling rigs, using only the best materials and components to ensure our equipment is compliant to the latest industry standards. Meticulous care is taken into each stage of fabrication, ensuring our equipment is built to last and handle demanding site conditions. Our new generation Cobra T15 that is currently in build, fully remote controlled with onboard engine, capable of drilling up to 450 millimeters in diameter. This is an evolution of the very successful Cobra T15 and has been updated to comply with the new emission requirements. Next, we have the Cobra T12000 rotary rigs. These rigs have just completed build and are being prepared for delivery. These rigs are extremely compact and powerful, designed to work on the most confined of site conditions. The Cobra T12000 can also be fitted with additional extras such as clamps for casings or even full remote control. The Cobra D500 is our compact and efficient drop hammer rig, the industry leader for driving casings in fast and efficiently. We are also the proud sole UK agents for the full GEAX range of piling rigs, the ultimate CFA and rotary piling rig. For further details of our equipment on offer, please visit our website for more in-depth specification. Thanks for watching.